In a major defeat for Donald Trump, a New York judge today ruled that the former president and his two eldest children, Ivanka and Donald Trump Jr., must testify under oath in New York State's civil investigation into his business practices. CBS's Herridge has more.
The 8-page ruling from the New York judge means State Attorney General Letitia James can question former President Trump, Don Jr., and Ivanka about their business practices as part of a civil inquiry. And the court order sets a short timeline, ruling the Trumps must comply in full with existing subpoenas to provide records and sit for depositions within 21 days.
I love loans. I love other people's money.
Last month, James alleged the Trump Organization repeatedly engaged in fraudulent and misleading practices to secure loans, tax benefits, and insurance coverage. The Trump Organization is accused of inflating prices, including tripling the actual size of Mr. Trump's penthouse, which added about $200 million to the valuation. James also alleged the valuations of Trump golf courses in New York and Scotland were exaggerated. At today's contentious hearing, the Trump lawyers attacked James and her probe as tainted by political bias and an effort to pave the way for criminal charges in a separate case. The judge said their arguments missed the mark. Even if James dislikes Mr. Trump, it does not cross the line to unlawful discrimination, and Mr. Trump has the right to plead the fifth.
And Catherine joins us. So how did Trump's lawyers respond?
Well, Norah, even before the ruling, his lawyers indicated that they would appeal, and that could delay or even desync the depositions altogether.
Catherine Herridge, thank you.
You're welcome.